Hi, my name is Pyrros Serres, and I'm an attorney in the state of New York that handles workers' compensation cases. In anticipation of the hearing, what are some of the things that the attorney will need to be prepared to help you? Well, for one thing, the lawyer's office along the way will be obtaining medical records from your treating doctor or doctors to be able to document what your injuries are and what kind of medical needs you require, whether it's physical therapy, surgery, MRI testing, or a host of other things. In addition, the attorney will want to know what your wage information was for the year leading up to your accident. All workers' compensation benefits, monetary benefits, are based on a percentage of what you were making before your accident. So the attorney is going to want to receive your wage information, which is typically supplied by W-2 forms or other payroll information. Now, I always recommend to my clients that when you know that you have a hearing, because you received the hearing notice, get in touch with your lawyer's office. Let them know that you received the notice, and I encourage my clients to either call or come in to visit us before the hearing so that we know and we're on the same page as to what information we have, what factual information about you we need to know. Are you still out of work? Have you gone back to work? What is your doctor telling you? Things that you should share with your attorney. Now, on the day of the hearing, you should always appear at least 30 minutes, I always tell my clients at least a half hour before the appointed time to your hearing location. You don't want to be late to your hearing. Being late is a bad thing. Judges don't like it. They'll often take the case if you're not on time. And by not being there, it shows a disinterest that you don't want the judge to think you have in your case. Also, simple things like how to dress. I tell my clients to dress comfortably. I typically tell them not to overdress, but not to go in looking poor either. I discourage my clients from wearing flashy jewelry or expensive watches. It's just not the right message I want sent to the judge or to the insurance company attorney at the time of a hearing. Being humble and showing up on time is very important. Communicating with your attorney before the hearing and their staff is extremely important to make sure that we have all the information that we need for your case. So, if you ever have any questions about your workers' compensation case, whether it's about going to court, whether it's about options in your case, I want you to pick up the phone. Please call me. My name is Pyrros Serres. I'm here to help you with your workers' compensation case.